So we had two strategies. We said we either had to do cross multiply. That was only the scenario if there was one fraction and one fraction. Or the other method was common denominator and then forget the denominator. Okay, so 14. Which of the two methods? Can I cross multiply? Yes or no? No, I don't have one fraction, one fraction. So I'm going to decide what common denominator I need. 20x is the pick. 20x is going to be the denominator I can fit the 4 into, I can fit the x into, and I can fit a 5 into. Okay, now we're going to go case by case here. First fraction, the 4. What did I have to multiply it by? 4 to 20x would have been multiplied by a 5x. Second fraction, it's an x. What did I multiply this by? 20. And the 5 got multiplied by what on the bottom there? 4x. Okay, so 1 times 5x is 5x. 11 times 20 is 220. 4 times 4x is 16x. And then do you always notice how I'm keeping things on the left of the equation sign on the left versus the right? Okay, so now we make that conclusion. If the bottoms are the same, we got to make the tops the same then. So if the bottoms are the same, the top has to be the same. Okay, I'm going to subtract 5x. That's my first algebra step because I'm isolating. So 220 equals 11x. And then divide by 11 and you get x equals 20. Okay, number 15. First of all, did I cross multiply or not? No, it's not a cross multiply. So I'm going to go like that. I got to make same fraction bottoms. Okay, what do I all need in my denominator? I need an a in there, I need an x in there, and I need a b in there. I need them all. Okay, I'm going to look at the first fraction. It had an a, so what did I multiply it by? An x and a b. Okay, now the second fraction had an x, therefore I multiplied it by a and a b. The third fraction had a b, therefore I multiplied it by an a and an x. Okay, now we say the bottoms are the same. The tops are going to just have to be the same now. Okay, this looks like something you've never seen before. So here's the algebra thinking. I'm trying to solve for x. So I need to group x's together. So this will need to go there. So all the x stuff is at least on the same side. Okay, because you're trying to end up with x. So that's my first thought. I'm going to get x's all onto the same side. And then, what could I do to those two? What kind of factoring technique could I do? I can GCF on x out, which makes what left? A b plus an a. And then how do I get x alone? Divide. Okay, I did that question with you because you probably wouldn't see it like on a test, but it's a nice making you think about your algebra. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Number 16, can you cross multiply it or not? Yes, this one is cross multiply. Okay, so that times that will equal that times that. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this. If you need to, you can do all four parts of the FOIL, or you could understand this as a simple trinomial. So x squared, what did the numbers add to? What is a plus 1 and a minus 2? Minus 1x, and what do they multiply to? Negative 2. Okay? I factored it backwards, right? I thought about my factoring backwards. Or you could have done that. Okay? It's up to you if you feel like you're understanding it enough to just do that. Okay? FOIL all 4 points, or think about what they add to and multiply to and get your trinomial. You pick and then look at the answer that I will have. Okay, algebra, I'm going to subtract x squared. And those are actually all gone, right? So you had an x squared on both sides. So the x squareds are gone. All right, now I'm going to add an x to both sides. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I got x to be 0. Okay, that's okay. The answer is good. What am I not allowed to answer at the very end? What can't x be? would not be allowed to be 1 or 2. So 0, that's okay to have it.